This is a sponsored video. However, all opinions are my own. Hey y'all, I'm back with another hair tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how I do my signature summer wash and go, but with a side part to jazz it up. I'm going to be using the IC Fantasia Coconut Collection, so stay tuned. So I washed and deep conditioned my hair. And I'm going to start by adding the IC Fantasia Coconut Curl Booster. And I'm going to add a generous amount to my hair to moisturize it. Ooh, y'all, look how it's making my coils pop. Now I'm going to spray my hair with water and make sure that it's extremely wet before I start to style it. And I'm going to use a rat tail comb to create a part. So I usually line my part up with the arch of my eyebrow and then just kind of do it in like a half moon. And to hold the part in place while I style my hair, I'm going to use these clamps. So I'm going to style my hair with the IC Fantasia Coconut Styling Gel. And first I'm going to put the gel on my sides and in the back. And I'm just going to take a brush and brush down my sides where it's really short. And now I'm going to wet around the perimeter again. And that's when my coils are really short and can be styled with my palms. And I'm just going to apply the gel. And create coils with my palms. Now the longer areas of my hair, I'm going to style using the shingling method, and I'm going to start with the smaller area. So I'm going to part that to separate it, and I'm going to wet it some more, and I'm going to use the coconut styling gel and apply it from root to end. And then I'm going to shingle my hair. And when you shingle your hair, you're pretty much making your natural curl pattern pop. But when your coils, when you have 4C hair, your coils kind of clump together so you can't really see them. So this is separating your coils so that they're smaller and you can see your natural definition. So you pull the hair and pretty much let it bounce back. Now, the secret to get a defined part without actually cutting one into your hair is to style both sides of the part in opposite directions. So on the left side of the part, I shingled my hair to the left. So on the right side of the part, I'm going to shingle my hair to the right. And I just love how juicy and moisturized my coils are looking. The Coconut Curl Booster and Coconut Gel is definitely a winning combo. The IC Fantasia Coconut Collection gets a thumbs up in my book. My hair is loving it. So I'm finished doing the shingling, and you can see the side part right there. And that's what it looks like in the back and the other side. And I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to finish the style. My hair is dry for the most part. It's still a little damp in the roots, but I like it that way because it allows me to manipulate it better. So I'm going to take a metal pick, and I'm going to lift my roots a bit to even out the shape. And I'm going to use my fingers to lift any areas that need a little more help. Now I'm going to use the IC Fantasia Edges Mega Hold Gel, Coconut, and Castor Oil to lay down my edges. And I don't need too much. Just going to lay it down a bit around my part area and around the front edge. My sides are faded, so there's not really much there to lay down. And I'm just going to take an old toothbrush to blend that in some. To give my hair some extra holding power, I'm going to use the IC Fantasia Coconut Spritz. I don't want my hair super hard, but I'm definitely going to get into the part area so that I can keep the part in place. The rest of my hair, I'm just going to give a few squirts. To finish off the style, I'm going to use the IC Fantasia Coconut Oil Mist. And that's going to give my hair some shine. The IC Fantasia Coconut Oil Collection is available at FantasiaHairCare.com. Leave any questions in the comments field and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name's the same.